Turtle. Dolphin.
Good job.
Octopus.
Good job. What is this? Coconut tree.
Coconut tree.
Coral.
Coral.
Okay, can you tell the vocabulary in your C?
Coconut tree.
Can I see? Coconut tree here. Okay. Anything else?
Dolphin.
Dolphin.
Coral.
Coral. Very good. Here is a coral. Next.
Squid.
Squid. Where is a squid? You can point. Yes. Good job.
Shrimp.
Shrimp. Good job.
Jellyfish.
Where is a jellyfish?
Whale.
Well, what is the jellyfish? Point. Very good.
Whale.
Well, that's it. Do you like to go to the sea?
Yes.
Yes, good job. The vocabulary in your sea. What is this?
Dolphin.
Dolphin. Shrimp. What is this?
Shrimp.
Anything else? Oh, very good. Coconut tree. And this and this. Coral.
Coral.
Good job. Do you like to go to the sea ชอบไปทะเลไหมคะ Yes or no? Can you tell the vocabulary in your sea? Crab. Good job. Next. Fish.
Seahorse.
Yes.
Dolphin. Jellyfish.
And this? Good job. And this? Coral. Wow. Do you like to go to the sea? ชอบไปทะเลไหมคะ Yes. Very good.
Your favorite dish? Milk.
Very good. You are very good. Okay. Good job.
Milk.
Milk.
Water.
Water.
Beer. Cola.
Very good. I would like to drink.
Water.
Wow. What is this?
Lemon.
Lemonade.
Lemonade.
Good job.
Soda.
Good job. What is this? This tea.
Tea.
Okay.
Tea.
Tea.
Wine.
Wine.
Coffee.
Coffee. I would like to drink
Milk.
milk. Very good.
Soda. Tea. Tea. Wine. Coffee.
I would like to drink.
Milk and tea.
Good job. Okay, what is this?
Coffee.
Orange
Orange
juice.
Milk. Water.
Water.
Beer.
Beer.
Coke. Cola.
Cola. I would like to drink.
Lemon.
Lemonade.
Lemonade.
Yes. Okay, good job.